guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am not in Pakistan. I am in UAE, and today I will be showing you 3 emirates planes and 3 different buildings that's famous in 3 different countries. First will be the towers. So the first biggest tower in the world is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. This is yeah, that's my sister. So this is the biggest tower right now. Oh, hello. So this is the biggest tower in the world. Local over in Dubai, you can see here, and it is standing like too big. We can see sunrise and sunset from up twice. Yeah, twice. And at night this glows like have a sword in it. Second tower is in China, the Shanghai Tower. So this is the Oracle Tower. No, Oracle TV Tower. Like it says, it's right over here. Let me read it. Oral Pearl TV Tower. This is so good because they have lights. Yeah, and it's like the Burj Khalifa, but the only difference is this. This is too big, but this is not big, but it's big. But the design is the same look. The Burj Khalifa has these sharp tones, and this also have these sharp tones. The third one is in France, and it's the Paris Tower. You might see already. So this real name is Paris. Yeah, but this is different because let me show you guys. This is not my number, please. These 2 towers have things here to hold the main tower, but in the Paris Tower there's nothing holding it. It's just like, wait, let me just show you. Like this, like holding it. And you can see right over there the planes towers. I will show you at after this. And that's what I show you. It's like this. Now the planes, you might see the planes already, but the first one is the Emirates Airbus A380. That's not like a plane. It's not like moving plane. It's just like a decorations. It's just, and I put it in sunlight, waterfall. Now it's just dry, but there's the logo on it. Emirates logo is finished. But this is the wing spell. But these have these. Let me start making it. If you don't know how to make it, let me show you it. We need this at the last. First we have this main part. You see this and this. Just join it together like this. Like this. And then add a plane. Like this. Then just add the plane. Down there's a small part. That's why we could add it on. But it's actually very hard. And here we go. It will be hard, so be careful with this. Because it's actually, oh my god, very hard to tell you. But if you want, first do this part, then you do, oh my god. Yeah guys, try your best to do this. Oh my god. And it's made of metal. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my god, look at this. Yeah, we will do this as the last whisper. Wow. Now the Emirates 177, like this. Thank God they have wheels, so we could like play with this. Oh my god, it landed on my forehead. Yeah, and if it's like in the gate, it will be like this. From the front side, like this. From the left side, like this. From the right side, like this. And from the back side, like this. Yeah, so now this is the last plane I'll be showing you. It's the Emirates Airbus A380, but the Expo livery. Look at this. When I was coming from Dubai airport, I saw this plane. Look, it's so realistic. Look at this. Oh my god, it again landed on my forehead. Yeah, I don't know what happened here and here. Okay, now for one more minute, I'll be showing you how to fix this because I broke this part and it still hurts. So just follow my advice, please. It cannot be fixed. There will be a part 2 of fixing this. That's the end of the video. I hope you like this and see you again soon. Bye.